Hello everyone, this is Kessie here for another video. So for today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different than what we did last week. I ran out of my hair moisturizer. This is actually a moisturizer that I use every day to just, twist my hair, and I ran out of it. So we're going to make some of that today. Let's get started, shall we? So the ingredients that I'm going to use is, of course, aloe vera. My hair just loves aloe vera, and from all of the research I've done and all of the videos that I've watched on YouTube, most people with my hair texture, their hair usually love aloe vera. And aloe vera is just one of those natural products that you can use anytime, anyway, anywhere. And then I'm going to use shea butter. I have here with me cheesecloth, and I'll show you in a minute what I'm going to do with it. Then, just optional, because I like for my products to last a little while, I'm going to use vitamin C and the emulsifying wax, and I will show you in a minute why I'm going to use the emulsifying wax. So to get started, we're going to get the gel from the aloe vera leaf. Let's start that. So to get the gel from the aloe vera leaf, I went and got a small knife, a potato peeler, a spoon, and a bowl to put the gel in. And if you're one of my Haitian followers, I know you recognize this type of ball. That's definitely a ball that my mom brought me from Haiti, so I still use that. We're going to go ahead. I'm gonna get rid of that white part. I never really know if it makes a difference, but I never really use it for some reason. And we're just gonna go ahead and cut it into smaller pieces. Just gonna cut this part off because I don't think I'm gonna be able to get anything out of this. This is it. This is the gel. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend this. Now that we've extracted the gel, which it's right there, we're gonna go ahead with the shea butter. So now we have the shea butter that is completely melted, and then we have the aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and add in the shea butter onto the aloe vera gel. Now I'm just going over and putting in the emulsifying wax. So the reason why I use emulsifying wax, it's basically because the wax will be a binding agent for the oil and the water-based aloe vera gel. The wax basically used as a bonding agent. It's like a glue when you're making your own product. If you're using a water-based product and you want to mix it with an oil-based product, the wax basically helps that. And this is the consistency that I wanted, and here I'm just trying some of the product on my hands, and guys, it felt so soft. Like, I've used Shea Butter by itself on my skin before, but added in with the aloe vera gel, it's just super soft, and my hands stayed hydrated for the whole day after I filmed this video. I've mixed everything together, I'm gonna go ahead with a funnel and put this in my mason jar, and you can use any clean container to put this in. I just always have empty mason jars around the house, so it helps me that way. And there you have it. Almost full, but you get the idea. So using this method, you can, especially the wax is really the holy grail of how I've been able to make all my products. Using the wax, you'll be able to mix in any other products that you'd like. You can add in some oils, some essential oils in there, or even try adding in coconut milk, other stuff in there that you would like. It's just for this one, I wanted to keep it really simple and just having pure aloe vera gel and some shea butter and my hair. I know my hair will absolutely love it. And this is how I make my products, and there you have it. I hope you guys learned, and I hope you guys will try to make this by yourself one day, and if you do, please tag me in it. I want to see what you guys make. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Bye, see you next week.